Well, we're learning new details about employee layoffs at the University of Vermont. 9 staff affiliated with the UVM Center for Health and Well-Being were told their positions were being eliminated last Monday. They say they had no idea that this was coming, and now some union members are looking for the reasons behind the decision and what it means for the employees going forward. NBC5's Anna Guber joins us live at UVM. Anna, what can you tell us about the situation?
Yeah, I mean, like you said, Adrian, the staff members that I spoke with who were laid off last week say it came as just a complete surprise that their positions were being eliminated and that they would be losing their jobs. I also had a chance to speak with some leaders at UVM who say it's all part of restructuring the center to integrate some of those systems and create a more effective system to offer to students. But it's left many people questioning how that process will take place and if the layoffs were necessary to make it happen.
Jenna Emerson says the Monday of June 17th started like any other. She woke up, got ready for the day, and headed to work. Emerson was a sexual health and health relationships educator at the University of Vermont Center for Health and Well-Being. But when she arrived at her job that day, she says things took a turn.
We got pulled into a meeting, individual meetings on Monday morning, not knowing anything that was going to happen.
She says the news that she would be laid off came just minutes later, completely unexpected from a job she held for 7 years.
I went first at 9:15 a.m. and within 2 minutes was told that my position was being eliminated. I was being laid off.
She's one of 9 employees at UVM who were given the same news that day. 5 of them, including Jenna, were part of the center's education and outreach department. 3 held management positions.
So many of the staff were just wondering and texting each other, what's going on, what's happening? There was no word of this at all, no inkling that this could happen.
In a letter to UVM staff, the Vice Provost of Student Affairs, Erica Calero, says the decision was made based on feedback from students, staff, and faculty.
They said that the only word they were using was restructuring.
6 of the 9 employees are members of the UVM Staff Alliance, so they turned to the union to find out how the university plans to restructure the center and hoping to be included in those plans without layoffs.
But now twice we have been told by HR there is no formal business plan. There is no formal business plan. How can you lay off employees and claim that it's a reduction of services without having a plan for any of these services or the reduction of them even?
In her letter, the Vice Provost referenced ideas to integrate services offered at the center, adding that while it is difficult to eliminate positions, these changes will improve integration of a diverse range of services and resources to ensure the center is better aligned and makes more efficient use of resources in fulfilling its important role. When asked how that process will happen, Calero says,
the first of our groups to really take a big step toward integration is education and outreach. And our goal in integrating several of our substance use related professionals is to bring them under a clinical umbrella to give more students access to their expertise.
But now as they wait for details on how those plans will take shape, Emerson says she's preparing to accept her time at UVM could come to an end. But she says she's determined to go out on the right terms.
Making sure that we also have our rights upheld. So that we can eventually heal from this, right? You want to be able to move forward at UVM or elsewhere.
UVM Staff United is still in discussions with the university about the terms of that layoff agreement, but for right now, the university has hired a new executive director of the center who will be helping that restructuring and integrating process, and the university will be communicating those changes and the services that will be offered at the center to UVM families going forward. But for now, we're live from the UVM campus this morning. Anna Guber, NBC5 News.